Hello everyone, good day. My name is Sandy Kibalye at BSIT2. So today we are going to create Lab 3 about memory management paging. So first, we need to open new terminal in Ubuntu system in order to create a simple C program, and we will use the command nano for process. So, ito po yung binigay nyo po sir na para mag-run po yung code na ito, and we will enter the command gcc space dash. And next naman po, need ko natin i-type is dash port. So, ayan po yung mga output niya, and yung lumabas po is about memory allocation successful. So, next naman po, we are going to open in another terminal. So, we will input the command. We will input the command htop, and ayan po yung result na nakikita po natin, yung mga memory usage po natin. And next, pipindutin po natin yung quit. Kasi po, i-check po natin yung total use and free memory niya. So, to using the command free space dash h. So, ayan po yung result niya. Then, after po nyan, we need to open another terminal. And para po, mag-allocate po tayo ng large amount memory. So, ito po yung ginawa kong code, and ipaparan po natin ito using the command gcco slash zhso program, then allocate po. Then, iulit lang po natin yun. And, may lalabas po dyan na memory allocation field. Kasi po sa system na ginawa po natin, dahil po sa ginawa po natin system memory, kaya po nag-failed siya. So, gagawin po natin ang activity. So, we need to open another terminal. Then, we will input the command nano memory and unique dots. And, so, ayan po yung nagawa ko po na code, and need po natin siyang iparan. Gamit po natin using command gcc zero memory, and uulit po natin yun. Yung gcc zero memory. Tapos, gagamitin po natin yung flash memory. And yung lalabas po is yung simulating memory leak. Tapos, i-open po natin ulit ng another terminal. And, input po natin yung htop command. And then, pipindutin po natin yung quit. Tapos, gagamit po tayo ng another command, free-h para po ma-absorb po natin yung decrease in free memory, and ayan po yung output niya. Thank you po. So, ito po.